Almost 1700 or 2000 meter height, and there is also cable car. If one want, who can use cable car also. You can see this cable car route, and this is footpath for going up. After hiking, I'm on the way of hiking, and just we are going up, and this is the I can show you. This is the city name called Tegernsee, and I am on the middle of, not middle, almost I am going to arrive on the top of. This is the on the way of hiking, and this is the longest tree, and we are enjoying the nature and going upwards. You can see how tall is this tree. How beautiful valley looking like. Almost 2000 meters. This is called Tegernsee mountain. This city name is Tegernsee. There is a lake, and you can see there is a restaurant top, and you can see this is the valley. This is quite long. You can see paragliding. So many people are enjoying, and from here they are like, it's their spot. I can show you. It's the station like that, and then it's also down a station where you can land. And then this is the valley. How beautiful looking! A really amazing place. And now we are going down, and you can see we have choose on the small road. This is like on a steep road. This is outside from where you can get bus. This is the bus station. This was the route of cable car. This was footway for going up. It's really amazing. And तुझे देखा तो ये जाना. This is Tegernseer Lake. Men can come in the daytime, then they can enjoy. Back to Munich. This is your train.
Nach München Hauptbahnhof. Welcome aboard of the BRB to Munich Central Station via 𝐂𝐿𝐵.